subscribers. If you are new with me, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a collab. I'm so excited because I was like, you know, I need to, let's reach out to some people out in the YouTube world, and I was so excited because I put an announcement on my Instagram saying who wants to do a collab with me on their favorite summer looks. And I want everybody here in my channel to welcome Two Real Chicks and also JessEllinVlogs. And also I am so excited because there is someone who is doing YouTube for the very first time. I'm so excited and I'm so honored that she's going to be on my channel, and this is her actual first video. I am so excited. Her name is Barbara, and I hope I'm not butchering her last name, Malatavio. Sorry, Barbara, if it's wrong. But anyways, you guys, let's welcome Barbara to the YouTube family, and please go show her some love. Anyways, I want to welcome all of, if you're coming from, I'm like all over the place, right? Because I'm so excited. I'm excited to do this collab with all of my new YouTube friends. So if you are new with me from, if you're coming from Jesse's YouTube channel or Two Real Chicks YouTube channel, welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And I hope you stay for a while. What was I saying? I was saying that I reached out to the YouTube community and see who wanted to do a collab with me. So I got these wonderful ladies and also a new YouTuber. Of course, I just said that. I'm so excited. So I can't wait to see what their looks are going to be about. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to link all of their channels down below. And also, I wrote them right here, so you guys can go down and after you're here with me, please go down there and go visit them and subscribe to their channel, show a small YouTuber some love, and please give a really, really warm welcome to Barbara because she's our new person here. And yeah, it's going to be lots of fun. So anyways, I decided for my look, I am doing a bronzy, orangey, yellowy color because I'm dark skinned. Well, not real dark, tan, more in the tan side, darker tan. And I really like the bronze colors on, you know, with my skin tone. So I decided to do this look. I think it came out really, really cute. And I really like it for the summertime because it's, you know, it matches my skin tone and it's shiny. Ooh. But today I used the Morphe palette. I did use this Morphe palette here alongside with a sleek pigment. It's yellow. So let's go ahead and start this tutorial, and I will see you back in a little bit. Okay, you guys, I'm starting out in my bathroom because that's where I have my foundations and stuff. So what I'm doing, I'm just going to go ahead and get this primer. I believe this is a Smashbox primer, and I'm just putting it on most of the areas that I get shiny. Next, I'm going to go ahead and get this Becca brightening, I don't know what it is, brightening cream or something. And I'm looking in the mirror, that's why I'm looking straight ahead. I'm going to put that underneath my eyes for a little bit of brightness. Okay, and I'm just tapping that on there. I love this stuff, it's so nice. Next, I'm going to go ahead and get my foundation. I'm using the Vitalist from Maybelline. And I'm also using, in combination with it, is some glow drops. And these are from Funkhouser. I am loving those. I'm getting a drop of that glow drops. And I'm also putting one pump of foundation on top of that, and I'm mixing it with my fingers. And I'm just going to go ahead and put this all over my face. I just use one pump of foundation because I don't want too much because it's summer, and you know, I don't want to be all cakey and stuff, so that would not be good. So I'm just putting that all over my face. Okay, get every drop there of that foundation and glow drops. Next, I'm going to go ahead and get this stippling brush from Sigma. And then I'm just going to go ahead and stipple this on. I love the glow drops mixed with that, with the foundation, because it gives you such a pretty glow from within. I just love it so much, and it works for me. And okay, so now I'm just going to put that on. All right. Next, I am going to go ahead and put some of this what is that? Spray, Urban Decay spray all over my face to set the foundation. Because it is summer, you want it to stay still, and you want to wait a little bit, couple of minutes, so it could dry. All right, and then after that, I'm going to do my brows. I'm using this Anastasia brow powder. This one I believe is in chocolate, and I'm just going to go ahead and do my eyebrows there. Give them a little bit of a shape, actually not shake, shape. All right. And then after I do my brows, I'm going to go ahead and get my Wunderbrow. I love this stuff, you guys. I love it. It does not budge. You put this on top of your eyebrow look and it will last all day without smudging or moving or anything. And it's not crispy or shiny. It's just really nice, natural. I love this. Love it. Okay, so that's what oh, and this one, I think it's in brunette. All right, so there it goes. Now I'm going to go to my makeup room. I'll be right back in a little bit. I'll see you in a minute. There I am. So I'm back in my makeup room, and I already did one eye. We're using the Morphe palette today, and I think this is a 340 palette. So I'm going to get this brush and getting those two colors there. One is, I believe, is matte, and the other one is satin. So I'm just going to combine the two and put that all over my brow bone, just like that. And if just a little bit on the lids there, just to give it a nice coating. Okay, and it's going to look like that. Next, I'm getting this fluffy brush. I am using the Sleek pigment. I think this is in the color Sunset. Or Sunrise, one of the two. Anyways, everything that I use in this video will be listed down below so you guys know what I'm using and brushes, etc. Now I'm going to get this color and put it right on the brow bone there. Not all the way up, but just, you know, on the brow bone. You know what I mean. Above the crease and under the eye, underneath the eyebrow. That was hard to say. Anyways, just keep on building and building. You want to go in a little at a time, and you want to saturate that color, and then it's going to look like this when you're done. Okay? So next, I am going to be using this other brush. I'm going in with this really pretty light orange color. I don't know what it's called. It's orange. And I'm putting it right underneath the that yellow that we just put down, but I am going right above the crease with it. If you have hooded eyes, you might want to look in the mirror and just put your brush straight ahead, and then so that that color can peek out from, you know, above your eye a little bit when you have it open. So keep on building that color, okay, and just keep on doing that. And then your eye's going to look like that when you're done. Okay, next I'm going to go ahead and get this brown color here. And I'm getting this pointy brush from Sigma. And I'm going to go in to my crease. So you start out there. Remember to look in the mirror if you have hooded eyes and go just above the eye when you're looking at the mirror. And just go in about 3/4 of the way. Okay, and then just go ahead and tap and build that color up a little bit. As intensified as you want, or not as intensified. Okay. And then at the end there, you want to put that down into the lid, like in the V, the outer V, I suppose. And then just kind of, you know, go in little circles at the end. So it's going to look like that. Next, I'm going to get this flat shader brush, and I'm going in with this deep orange color. It's kind of like a, I don't know what it is, deep orange maybe? I don't know, dark orange? I don't know. Anyways, it does have a little micro glitters, and it's very pretty in real life. I'm putting that in the third of the outer eye, and on the inner eye, yeah, right there. What is it called? Just a third in the inner eye and a third in from the outer part. And then I'm just going to go ahead and put my brush upside down so the color can be on top, and then just go right into the crease. Okay? Just like that. Okay, and what you want to do is just keep patting on some color. Pat, 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 slowly, slowly, and then pat, 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 slowly, slowly. So you can build up that beautiful orangey color there. It's more like a burnt orange, I guess. Yeah, burnt orange that has some shimmer to it. Okay, so then I'm getting the pointy brush again. I didn't put any product on it, and I'm just going to go ahead and buff that out just a little bit there. Next, I'm getting some Painterly Paint Pot, and I'm getting this brush that I use for cream, and I'm just going to put that right in the center there where there's no color, right in that little window in the center of the lid. Okay. You don't need a lot, you just need just a small amount, and just enough to cover that. Next, I'm getting my Goss number 19 brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and smooth out that edge right there. Okay, now I'm going to get another flat shader brush and go in with this really pretty gold brownie color. I don't know, it's more like it's got gold in it, and orangey gold, I guess. And then just put it right on top of that Painterly Paint Pot. Okay, and then just pat. And then now we're going to go ahead and take the finger and put some on top of that. Okay, just like that. Give it a nice glow. All right. Excellent. Excellent. Next, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyeliner. I'm using this color from Urban Decay. It's called Bourbon. I am doing the lower lash line with this color. And also, I'm also going to go ahead and line the top eyelash line there. I'm not using black because I like the way the contrast with the brown. I think it looks really nice. So I'm going to get this other color here. This is a very glittery bronze color. It's so pretty, pretty. I'm putting it right on top of the lower lash line where I put that that bourbon color. Okay, and then just go ahead and sweep that under it, just like that. All right. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and get this pointy brush and go in with that goldy orangey color again, the one that we put in the middle, remember? And we're just going to go ahead and do the inner tear duct there. All right, just like that. And there you go. And I will be back in a minute to show you what I did with the rest of the face. Okay, guys, for the rest of the face, what I did was, for the lipstick, I used this really pretty lipstick from MILANI. It is like a, I don't know, orangey coppery color. I like it. Isn't that pretty? I love these colors. For the mascara, I used this particular one here. Lash Sensational. It's actually my favorite mascara for the summer because it is waterproof. And here in Arizona, you need waterproof because you're always like sweating like a monkey. Do monkeys sweat? Don't know. Anyways, and then for the contour, I did use my Eddie Funkhouser bronzer, and you can see it's like almost gone, but I want to use it to the very last. And I did contour with it here, and I did use it for my blush, but under that I did use the glow drops. So I put some glow drops under here first, and then I put on this really pretty bronzer on top as a blush. I love it so much. And then of course I went around with the big fluffy brush on that. And then what else did I use? I think that is all for the face. I did went ahead and I did some highlights, of course, with some concealer. But you can use whatever, concealer you want. And yeah, I think it came out good. What do you guys think about this? I like it. I like the bronzy look. It's very summery and very, sexy. Anyways, you guys, please go check out all my friends. 2 Real Chicks, JessEllinVlogs, and Barbara Montalvo. Anyways, thank you so much, and I want to thank the ladies for collabing with me, and I really appreciate it because I really think it's very important to reach out and do some YouTube collaborations with your YouTube family, because you guys need to stay together and link, and if you want a fresh face or whatnot, please go over there and say Isabelle sent me. Thank you everyone for coming over here. If you're from their channel, I appreciate you all very much, and I hope you guys have a great summer. I'm so excited about summer and my new friends. So thank you guys. Have a beautiful, colorful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Subscribe.